so many beautiful brand new colours to show you. Some of them are released and some of them are a sneaky peek. Ooh. So let's get all of the ones out of the way that are already released on the website. So first up, this is a brand new beautiful collection. It's called the Spring Collection. It is a collection of 6 different pastel colours and they all have this beautiful iridescent glitter inside. Gorgeous. So that is the very beautiful spring collection, and I've got 2 more colours for you that are brand new and these are released as well. This one is the same glitter that's in the spring collection, but it's like a clear version. So gorgeous. It's unicorn colours. Come on guys, you know, unicorn colours. I'm down. And then one more, Kitten Nose. Beautiful. Right, let's get on to the brand new unreleased sneaky peeks. So first up, this is another spring collection that's coming out. It is currently unnamed. The colours have names, but the collection does not. I'm sure it will do when it comes out very shortly. There are 6 colours in this one, and it is basically a pastel full coverage, full colour version of the glitter spring collection. These are like the most gorgeous pastels I have ever used in my life. They're just perfect. Perfect. So that's the 6 colours of that collection, and the rest of these are also brand new and unreleased sneaky peeks. And as always, here's a video of all of them with top coat on. Absolutely gorgeous colours and just like perfect timing for spring as well, like all of them. Perfect timing. So as always, thank you for joining me. I will be back very shortly with going back to videos in nails. I have a nice cloud set coming up for you. So yeah, I will see you very soon. If there's anything that you want to see, just let me know, and stay slaying. Bye bye.